Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, the theme was weather where we live at the moment, and because where I live is real winterland right now. I mean, the snow is gone a little bit, but the temperatures are still pretty much freezing. I will be showing you a menu for winter weather in the city where I live. Thank you so much, Patty, for organizing. I do hope that you guys will enjoy this theme, and if you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope that you will like what you see here, and if you do, then hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will have all the video links in the description box. Please go show some love to the other ladies who joined into today's collab, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures, so definitely stay tuned till the very end. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. I just would like to also say very quickly one more time Happy New Year to everybody. I am very grateful for all of you who are still here watching my videos. It means a lot to me. I know I said it many times. I apologize that I don't really have time to reply back to your comments, but please do know that I read every one of them and they mean the world to me. So let's jump into the nail art tutorial portion now. Stay tuned till the end if you would like to see the pictures as well, and I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.